What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on the Gold Rush channel. As usual, if you're new to the channel, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified whenever a new video is actually dropped. Today, I'll be actually showing you another mix with the Supertrend indicator on the Tradingview channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can make profits from the forex market using the Tradingview indicators. Without further ado, let's actually dive right into it. So these are charts. EURUSD. Let's move to the end. The whole chart. Go down here. We're actually in a trade right now. This particular trade was taken using let me actually show you guys. We are actually using 5 minutes EURUSD. We'll add our indicators, Supertrend. But notice we didn't use the other one that we used before. We're using this one that is showing new. It's a new Supertrend indicator and it's quite beautiful. Let's click on it. So click on the Supertrend indicator. Before I actually show you guys the second indicator, I'd like to take you over to our Gold Rush channel. This is our Gold Rush channel. This is the profits. This is a free signal channel where we share signals on a daily basis. We're hitting profits on a daily basis. So I'd like all of us to actually key into this free signal channel so that we can all be making profits from the forex market. It's actually completely free. There's nothing you're actually paying for, and you get signals every single day. So basically, let's get back into the video. This is our Supertrend indicator. The second indicator we'll be adding is called QQE mod. The first one with 2,724 likes. You hit it. It's actually a histogram. Yeah, a histogram. So you look at the charts. First of all, you notice that there are actually green and red lines everywhere, green, red. So I'm gonna just take us to actually a random position so that I can show you. Okay, if you're using just the Supertrend indicator, you just see a red line, you enter, it comes down. That's a lot of profits. Let me see. Wonderful. I think I have just adjusted it into the QQE mod. Let's take it back. All right. So as I was saying, assuming you're using just the QQE mod, this Supertrend, this is how your strategy, this is how your entry would have been like. Probably hit this one, and yep, that's it right here. Let's see how many pips you're making. You're making 54 pips. 54 pips from this particular trade. That's using just the Supertrend. Now look at this one. It started here. See. Sorry. Let's take a buy position this time. The green is for buy, the reds are for sell, obviously. So this is here quite small. This was around 12 in the morning, so I do not even actually trade at this time. This is another sell signal. I'm actually looking for something right now. Let's just be patient. Let's walk through what I'm saying step by step. This is a sell signal. Little profits. Another buy, another sell. This was a buy that actually failed. What am I looking for? A buy that actually failed on long. This is it here. You made no profits. About 10 pips loss right here. This is another sell that failed. This is another buy that failed. This is another sell that failed. This is another buy that failed. And this is a sell that actually ran now. Let's see. 33 pips. So I'm actually going to show you how you can actually filter out all this bullshit going on here. All this little losses that you could have evaded by yourself. So basically, let's go to a recent one right here. Let's clear out the charts. Just clear this bullshit up. All right. Oh, there's even one right now. Now we're gonna be using the QQE mod to show you. Look at the QQE mod right when this green line changes, that's from red to green. You can see an ash signal on the QQE mod. There's actually an ash signal. Now, there is actually two forms of entries using this QQE mod. The first is when the red changes to green and the QQE mod shows ash. And when the red changes to green and the QQE mod shows this green. I suppose this green. Yeah, this is green. Do it to me. I don't know what the color is. But either way, when the red changes to green and it changes to ash or green, those are two types of trade. Now, basically, once it changes to ash, it's actually a high risk trade. So if you use your risk management. Now, this is one example that's actually running. Let's take our long position. This is it here. I'm just glad it actually showed during the course of the video. So we've actually made already 35 pips from this particular trade using this QQE mod and Supertrend. You've already made 35 pips immediately. Now let's actually go back so I can show you what I'm saying. Now this is a signal here, or a sell signal. You can see that this whole histogram is already, the whole histogram is already turned red far before this line, the Supertrend, turned red. So another example. Let's see this one. Okay, yeah, this is it. Okay, another signal. This one actually is empty, ash, empty, basically the same thing. So all you have to do is enter a buy at this point. This is it, long. As I said before, it's a high risk trade, so your money management is actually important. So this is, okay, you would have still been in this trade. You see, almost, okay, you gave it a red here, so you'll be out. I'm not actually saying, now for your actual take profits, you can use the next higher high. This is a higher high. I'm not actually going to be teaching all the forex terminologies and all. but this is a higher high. Instead of using probably wait for it to turn red, then you go out, you can use a higher high. This is the higher high here. So once it hits within the zone, you're out in profit. And it actually hits, and that's 30 pips approximately. 30 pips in profits from that particular trade. So basically, this is the rundown of the strategy. On this big one here, I think we missed it. Yeah, it didn't actually give us an indication to join it. This one was actually a big one also. I told you blank, ash, you join. And this was the amount of profits we made. So guys, with this Supertrend and QQE mod indicators and a good money management strategy, you will make crazy and consistent profits from the forex market. If this video was quite beneficial to you, please a thumbs up would be very, very, very much appreciated. Do well to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you can be notified when next I drop a new video. And please do not forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is here for you, completely free. We're at 437 subscribers, which is quite beautiful. Just go through, check the trades, if they're profits on a daily basis. So basically guys, peace.